Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce investment confusion with eToro detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating your eToro account. Visit the eToro website and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your personal details such as name, email address, and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Next, complete the KYC process by providing necessary identification. Upload a valid ID and proof of residency as required by regulations. Once verified, log in to your eToro account. Now, familiarize yourself with the eToro interface. Take a moment to explore the different sections such as Markets, Watchlist, and Portfolio. To reduce confusion, utilize the educational resources provided by eToro. Watch their tutorial videos to grasp essential trading concepts. Participate in webinars to sharpen your trading skills. Next, use the virtual trading feature to practice without real money. This feature allows you to build your confidence before investing. After gaining some experience, decide which assets to focus on. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies. Utilize the copy trader feature to follow successful traders. This allows you to mimic their strategies while learning from them. Keep track of market trends and news updates within the platform. Use tools like technical analysis to inform your investment decisions. Set realistic goals for your investments to manage expectations. Regularly review your portfolio's performance. Make adjustments based on your investment strategy and market conditions. Lastly, always remain patient and stay informed. Remember, investing is a long-term journey, and reducing confusion is key to success. By following these steps, you can navigate eToro with greater clarity and confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.